Okay, this is 920 still, and this is for the double declining balance method. So this is double declining balance method. All right, this one is a little bit different than the other two. So for this one, you'll once again write down the date that you bought it. Don't write anything else in that first row because it'll mess you up. All right, so I start off over here with the book value that's equal to my cost. All right, now if you remember, the double declining balance method starts out with book value. So you bring the book value on over to here. Then you multiply it by 2 times the rate. All right, it's double declining balance. So it's 2 times the straight line rate, which is 1 over the life, which in this case happens to be 4. Okay, so 33,000 times 2 divided by 4. My depreciation expense is $16,500. All right, it's the first year, so that just carries on across. And then I subtract book value minus accumulated to get my new book value. All right, the next year, I start off with the 16.5. That comes on down over to here. The rate stays the same, 2 times 1/4. I multiply that out, and I get $88,250. Okay, so then I add the 16.5 plus the 8,250, and my accumulated is $24,750. All right, then you subtract 33,000 minus 24,750 is 8,250. All right, now I'm at 231 of 20. Book value comes down, 8,250. All right. Now, however, if this has to, with the book value has to stop when it hits $6,000. So I only have 2,250 left that I can take out, and if I multiply the 8,250 times the 2 times 1/4. I get 4125, and that's too much. Okay, the max I can do is 2,250 to get this down to $6,000, because this has to stop at 6,000, which is my residual. Okay, so if this is 6,000, 33,000 minus 6, this is 27. Okay, so this is 33 minus 6. Okay, and then this has to go from 24,750 to 27. So this is going to be 2,250. All right, and it's the 27 minus the 24,750. Actually, there's a couple ways you can get it, but anyway. All right, but basically this number here I have to plug in because we have to stop when we get to 6,000. So in year 4, all right, we're actually not going to have anything. This will just be 6,000. This will be no depreciation. It'll just come on over and still be 6,000. Okay. All right, now I do want to make a point about this one. If you notice in this particular situation, everything is halved. It's, half a book value, half a book value, well, this one's not, but they're all working out to be halves. That's only working out that way because we have a 4-year life. A 4-year life, 1 over 4 is the same as 25%. Multiply it by 2, and that's 50%. So that only happens if you have a 4-year life. If you have any other life, you need to calculate it out. It's not going to always be half.